everyone, my name is Dina and I'm a registered nurse. And on this channel, we talk about health, lifestyle, and entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to be looking at the categories of health workers to find at a health facility. The importance of knowing the categories of health workers to find at a health facility is that it helps you to know who to go to when you're sick, and also when you're referred for further management, why you are being referred. Now, having known that, let us look at the categories. In Uganda, there are two categories of health workers. There are the formal health workers and the traditional health workers. Under the category of traditional health workers, we have the traditional birth attendants, spiritual healers, and herbalists. Now, the formal health workers are in four categories. We have the medical and dental practitioners, we have the nurses and midwives, we have the allied health professionals, and the pharmacies. Which health workers do we find in the medical and dental practitioners category? We mainly find consultants, specialists, and medical officers in the different fields. Consultants and specialists usually lie in the category of physicians, obstetricians, gynecologists, surgeons, pediatricians, pathologists, ophthalmologists. The categories are very many, but those are some of the examples. Now, medical officers are usually the people who see us first. But if things do not go as planned, or if they find a need for further management, they refer you to a specialist. And sometimes when a specialist sees you and they find the need for further management after them, they'll refer you to a consultant. That is how the system works. All categories under the medical and dental practitioners are called doctors. All of them, be it a consultant, be it a specialist, be it a medical officer, they are all doctors. Next are the nurses and midwives. In the nurses and midwives category, we have the bachelor's or degree nurses and midwives. We have the registered nurses and midwives. We have enrolled nurses and midwives. We also have a category of the psychiatric nurses who can be either registered or enrolled. Next is the allied health professionals. Under the allied health professionals, we find radiographers, we find clinical officers, lab technicians, ultrasound technicians, physiotherapists, theater nurses, among others. Those are not all the categories, they are very many, but those are a few that I've listed today. In the category of pharmacy is where we find all things for pharmacy, the pharmacists, the dispenser, anyone who deals with drugs in a pharmacy always lies under the category of pharmacy. All the categories of health workers mentioned are very important and crucial, and they play different roles in the management of patients with different cases. So that was it for today. I hope someone has learned something, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.